This is Kilo, and today I'm going to show you how to correct an upside down deadbolt when you have just installed your new lock set. I'm going to show you how this happens and how to correct it. So you may have gone down to your hardware store and picked up a lock set and you're installing your deadbolt, and you go to insert the latch and it's too long. There is a adjustable back set. I explained how to adjust a lot of the common back sets in a video I just did recently on latches. If you'd like to check that out, I'll leave a link right here for all of the different styles in case yours doesn't adjust this way. So what people do is, you'll insert it like this. They'll pull out the latch, they'll adjust it, and keeping a firm grip on this part of the latch, they just put it right back in. Now, your deadbolt can only go in one way, and you end up with this upside down deadbolt. What you'll do is you'll just take it out, flip it, and put it right back in. Now your tailpiece will line up on the bottom, and you insert your deadbolt, and he is now correct. Now, one thing that I will show you guys as well is on your latch, it will always have this little, well, in most cases, it will have this little logo, and it shows you which way is up. So whichever way that this arrow is pointing, it should always go in this way. The reason they put that there is because when you adjust it like this, now it's facing down, so now you have to flip him. So just to show you guys, I've seen this happen kind of commonly recently in a couple of Facebook groups. A friend of mine just moved into an apartment complex and texted me a picture and asked why that would happen. And in every single case that I've seen this, that's what it is. So just to help you guys with a visual here of why your deadbolt is upside down. So that's all you guys got to do is just pull out the latch, flip it, whichever way. If it's like this, flip it, put it back in, and you are all set. Just wanted to help you guys out with that video today. Hope you guys are staying safe. Good luck on your jobs and your projects, and have a nice day.